The cat sat on the mat, then put the pen and pen in the pen. I put my cap and map on my lap. That is sad and mad. The ram likes to eat ham, jam, and yams. The flag and leg are in the bag. Mom gave me cash for taking up the trash. I was the soccer champ at camp. I put my hand on the stand. I put my snack in the sack. The little ant crawled on the plant. I fed the rat at hen and then went to bed. I have 10 pence in my desk. I took my pet to the bed. The little bird pecked at the mood deck. The girl yelled into the well. I lent some money to Tom to spend. The baby bird rested in the nest.